The morning breaks, but you're not here. The shoreline feels so cold. The waves keep telling silent stories. No answers they unfold. The boats have searched from dawn till dusk. The sky has turned to gray. Still we gather hand in hand and kneel our hearts to pray.
Every mother cries in silence. Every father hides his pain. Every child keeps asking softly, when will they come again? As the days slowly pass,
we're still waiting right here, bound together in God's promise, holding hope through every tear. Though the sea is deep and wide, love is deeper still. Lord, embrace the ones we cherish according to your will. If they're sailing safely home, guide them through the storm. If you've called them into heaven, hold them safe and warm. The village lights are burning low, candles softly glow. Neighbors, friends, and family gather, sharing tears that flow. Every name spoken gently, every memory stays. Every heartbeat whispers quietly, we'll remember all our days. Though the night feels long and empty, faith refuses fear. God walks with the broken-hearted, He is always near. As the days slowly pass, we're still waiting right here, bound together in God's promise, holding hope through every tear. Though the sea is deep and wide, love is deeper still. Lord, embrace the ones we cherish according to your will. If they're sailing safely home, guide them through the storm. If you've called them into heaven, hold them safe and warm. No storm can wash away our love, no wave can steal their names. Though the ocean keeps its secrets, our hearts remain the same. One day every tear will vanish, every sorrow cease. Until then we'll stand together, praying for your peace. As the days slowly pass, we'll keep waiting right here, standing strong beside each other, holding faith above our fear, bound together by God's mercy. Love will never end. Though today we grieve in sorrow, hope will rise again.
To every family waiting by the shore, to every friend searching the sea, to every heart carrying silent tears, may God's love be your anchor. May His peace calm every storm, and may we meet again where there are no more waves, only everlasting light. Mi pela ino sabe longol geta bekim. Tasol God e mi sabe. Longol geta famili. Prena wanto kista puet long nambis. You pela ino sta pompis.
You mi by holim, you pela long pre. You mi by tingim.